Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to UPSEC's online support program. Today we are going to start our session Mathematics of Class 5. Textbook New Syllabus Primary Mathematics, page number 41 to 44. Chapter 2, 4 Operations. Topic Order of Operation. Resources required: textbook, laptop, workbook, internet resources. Summary of the lesson. We will learn how to solve expression when two operations plus minus are given. How to solve expression when two operations multiply, divide are given. Follow BODMAS. Thought of the day. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Very true, because we cannot achieve anything in life unless we put our continuous efforts to make it happen. Objectives. We will learn about how to solve the expressions when two operations plus, minus or multiply, divide are given. Follow the rules of BODMAS. Recap of previous topic. Question number 1. What are the four operations? Yes, plus, minus, multiply and divide. Where do we use addition sign? When find total sum of all together. Question number 3. Where do we use subtraction sign? When we will find leftover, remaining. Question number 4. Where do we use multiplication sign? When we find the product. Question number 5. Where do we use division sign? Yes, share equally when we will find. Topic Order of operations. Sample number 1. Find the value of 50 plus 9 minus 34. In this case, in this question, you have seen two operations are given, plus and minus. So we will apply the rule left to right. So first we will solve 50 plus 9, 59. And write minus 34 as same. Now subtract 59 minus 34, answer 25. Example number 2. Find the value of 32 multiply 3 divided by 8. Now look at the question. How many operations are given? 2. Multiply and divide. So we will use the rule left to right. 32 multiply 3. First we will solve multiply operation. 32 multiply 3, answer 96. Divided 8, write the same and divide. Answer is 12. Example number 3. Find the value of 95 divided by 5 multiply 4 divided by 2. In this question, we have two operations, divide and multiply, but divide into two places. So we will solve all together in the same time. 95 divided by 5, 19. Multiply remains same. 4 divided by 2, answer is 2. Now the next step is 19 multiply 2, answer is 38. Got it? Example number 4. Solve the following. 25 multiply 3 plus 40 divided by 8. In this question, we have three operations: multiply, plus, and divide. Now, in this case, we will use DMAS. D for division. That means we have to solve first division. Then M, multiplication. We solve the multiply operation. Then addition for A. S for subtraction. That means we solve first division, then multiply, then addition and subtraction. Now look at the question. The three operations multiply, plus, and divide are given. So first of all, solve 40 divided by 8. Answer is 5. The next step, 25 multiply 3 plus 5. Now solve multiply. 25 multiply 3, 75, plus 5, answer is 80. Example number 5. Find the value of the following: 200 minus 10 multiply 20 divided by 2. So according to the rule of DMS, we will solve division first. 20 divided by 2. Rest of the number you have to write remains same. 200 minus 10 multiply 20 divided by 2. Solve 20 divided by 2. Answer is 10. And 200 minus 10 multiply 10. Write the same. Then after division we will solve multiply. 200 remains same. Write minus sign same. 10 multiply 10, 100. The end we will subtract. 200 minus 100, answer is 100. Example number 6. Find the value of 30 minus bracket 4 multiply 2 plus 2 bracket close divided by 5. Now in this question bracket is also involved. So we will follow BODMAS. B for bracket, O for of, then D for division, M multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. That's mean first we will solve inside the bracket. Look at inside the bracket how many operations are given: multiply and plus. So we will solve first multiply. 30 remains same, minus sign remains same, make the bracket. 4 2s are 8. Then plus 2, close the bracket, remain same, right, divided by 5. Now again we will solve the bracket. 8 plus 2. So write the next step: 30 minus bracket 10. Bracket close divided by 5. Now we have two operations: minus and division. So first we will solve divide sign. 10 divided by 2. 30 minus 2, answer is 28. Sample number 7. Find the value of 12 multiply 2 minus 4 plus bracket 6 minus 3 bracket close. So first of all we will solve inside the bracket according to the rule BODMAS. So write 12 same, multiply 2 minus 4 plus, and inside the bracket 6 minus 3, answer is 3. Now the next step, how many operations? Multiply, minus and plus. So first of all we will solve multiply. 12 multiply 2, answer is 24. Minus 4 write same, plus 3. Now two operations minus and plus. So start again left to right. 24 minus 4, 20. Then plus 3, answer is 23. Got it? Success criteria. Remember 2. When only addition and subtraction are involved, we work from left to right. When only multiplication and division are involved, we work from left to right. Work out the expression inside the bracket first. Follow the rules of BODMAS. Task Workbook. Do page number 31, question number 2, A to D. Thank you, class.